Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, my name is Diva Purnama Hadi from the English Education Study Program, University Pancasakti, Bekasi. On this happy occasion, I would like to present material about reported speech. As we know, reported speech plays an important role for a person's progress in making a speech. In the reported speech is not paid attention to, then someone who makes a speech will experience error and difficulties in adapting and facing pressure from the audience in front of him. Okay, for the first, reporter speech. Reporter speech, or also known as indirect speech, itself is a way to convey what is said, which can be in the form of statement, question, and other experience that change the format of the conversation so that it becomes clearer and more efficient for the reader. And then, kind of reporter speech. Statement number one, comment and request and question. Statement. The meaning of statement is a statement. Report and announcement are often interpreted as giving a personal statement in expressing opinions to someone. For sentence in the form of statement, they are usually marked with the verb tell or told or say and or said. In addition, other verbs can also be used, such as admit, suggest, advise, as for changing into reported speech. That is usually used as a liaison. It is used to change direct statement into indirect statement. There are some changes conducted in the indirect speech, such as the tense, pronoun, adverb of time, and adverb of place. Pattern: introductory clause, indirect speech, plus that, plus main clause, direct speech. For examples, direct speech and indirect speech. I like ice cream. And an indirect speech, she said that she liked. I am living in London. Direct speech. And indirect speech, she said she was. But if the introductory clause is in the past tense, said or told, do we change the tense in the report speech? Do not change the tense if the introductory clause is in simple present, say or says. Command and request. Reported speech, command and request are formed using two clause in positive sentence and not plus two clause in negative sentence. Commonly usually use the reporting verb told. Request usually use the reporting verb asked. Positive tense introductory clause plus to clause, and negative tense introductory clause plus not plus to clause. Example: he said plus turn off the light when you left. The sign said do not enter. Could you please be quiet, she said. And in direct speech, he told me to turn off the light when I left. The scene told used no to enter. She asked me to be quiet. Question: we usually introduce reported question with the verb ask. He asked me if or whether, yes or no question. He asked me why or when or where or what or how. Question: what question? As with reported statement, we may need to change pronouns and tense, backseat, as well as time and place in reported question. But we also need to change the word order. After we report a question, it is no longer a question, and in writing there is no question mark. The word order is like that of a normal statement. Kind of reported question: yes or no. Informative. Pattern: introductory clause plus if or whether plus main clause. Direct: she said, do you want coffee? And indirect: she asked me if I want coffee. Informative. For reported speech informative question, we use reporting verb as. For reported speech informative question, we use the question itself as the conjunction. For reported speech informative question must be in the form of affirmative sentence. Some changes are also conducted in reported question, such as tense, adverb, and pronoun. Tense of reported speech: direct speech, simple present, present continuous, present perfect, simple past, past perfect, and simple future. Indirect speech: simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past future. And maybe I think enough for my presentation. Thank you so much, and sorry if there are shortcomings, because the perfect one belongs to Allah alone. If anyone to ask, please contact my social media content on the screen.